Hey everybody, welcome back to Life Rocks. Thanks for joining me again. Today we're taking a little adventure to Sam's Town Casino. We'll be reviewing one of their luxury rooms and having a little fun in the casino. Come join us, it's going to rock. Have you ever been to Sam's Town? Tell me about it in the comments below.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
Check-in was quick and easy, the lobby was elegant, and the service was friendly. We reserved one of the luxury rooms on the rose level near the concierge lounge. Stay tuned to find out more about the perks of booking on this level. But first, let's take a little room tour. Here we are at room 2218. Do you have a lucky room that you like to stay in when you gamble? Tell me about your lucky room number in the comments below. The bathroom was spacious and clean and elegant, with nice fixtures and well stocked with amenities. But I gotta know, whose idea is it to always put the coffee maker in the bathroom in a hotel room? That's gross. The room was complete with a flat screen TV, mini fridge, and an in-room safe. The furniture was modern and upscale, and I really loved the overhead bed light. We even had a view of the river. A little murky this time of year, but we weren't here for the sights. We came for the casino action, so let's check out that casino floor. Do you have a favorite slot machine that you always play? Are you feeling lucky?
I'm so happy you want to play, my friend. Engage the progressive bet amount for a chance at a diamond award above.
Looks like luck is on my side tonight. Do you have a lucky charm or something that you always do for good luck when you gamble? Now this lucky zebra is off to win another little jackpot with a straight line of zebras. Did you know the zebra is the official symbol for rare disease in the United States? Be sure to follow me on my other social media platforms to find out how I'm raising awareness for a rare illness known as MDDS. Our rose level reservation qualified us to visit the concierge lounge for complimentary breakfast. They offered an assortment of fresh fruits, pastries, biscuits and gravy, oatmeal, as well as juice and coffee and carbonated beverages. The lounge offered plenty of comfortable seating, a flat screen TV, morning paper to read, and friendly service. Sadly, it was time for one last walk across the Skybridge and over to the parking garage after checkout. It was a fun stay and we can't wait to come back. This fun little adventure was a birthday present from my amazing boyfriend. Gotta love this guy.